Hey guys, I'm Clarice from Xiamen SOROYA Hearing Technology. Today I'm going to show you a new ITC hearing aid model. It's rechargeable and small, and its charging time is about 6 hours with one fully charged, and it can last 16 hours. There are 3 sizes of earplugs. Please choose a suitable earplug that features ear canal to make installation. And turn on the hearing aid. Before we wear the hearing aid, please adjust the volume to a low level to avoid whistle. Clockwise rotation to increase the volume and counterclockwise rotation to decrease the volume. When everything is done, pinch the hearing aid and insert it in the ear canal. Now you can adjust the volume to a suitable level. When you are ready to take the hearing aid off, just pinch the hearing aid and take it out of the ear canal. Before charging, please turn off the hearing aid, and then put it in the charging case. It will start charging automatically. The light will be red when it is charging, and it will turn green when it is fully charged.